Hi, Neil Sanderson here from Dental Marketing Expert, and I'm here to show you a really cool piece of marketing software for your dental practice. Effectively, it's a patient survey piece of software, but it also allows you to send out marketing messages as well. So how does it work? Well, effectively it links in with your practice management system, and you can either automate this or manually send out emails after you've seen each patient or before you're going to see each patient, whichever one you want to do. And when the patient receives the email, they will get to this screen, which will have obviously their name in it, and you will be asked to provide feedback, or they will be asked to provide feedback. So let's go in there and see what happens. Well, you can see down the left hand side here, you can go in and see educational articles, product recommendations, promotions, a suggestions box, and they can manage the services. That is effectively, they can manage what you're sending them. So if they don't want you to continue to send them any of this stuff, they can just do that themselves. But here we've got the feedback, and it's very, very simple. It follows CQC guidelines. Is the practice clean and comfortable? Yes, it is. Is there sufficient entertainment and literature? Yes, there was. Are necessary healthcare and sundry items available? Yes, there were. Are they a friendly bunch? Yes, they are. How much is your level and comfort and trust in your clinician and the practice team? Well, it's a 4. How likely would you be to recommend us? Well, it's a 9 in there. How can we prove on this? Well, I'm just going to type for a second. Hang on. I will put... So we'd like a bigger waiting room with windows. Are you happy with the smile and state of your health? Yes, I am. Are you happy with the dental products you're using? Yes, I am. How would you rate your overall experience? I would say it's a 9. Your age, 35, 54. Are you in any of the following types of patients? NHS, private, that sort of thing. I'm a private patient and I'm male. Would you like to remain anonymous? No, I'm happy for you to know who I am. Can we use your feedback? Yes, you can. And would you like to continue receiving special offers? Yes, I would. And that's effectively all that the patient would have to do. But equally, whilst they're here, they can go and look at some other stuff. So we can go and see some educational articles. Now, these articles are linked into the treatment that they're currently undergoing or have just undergone. But one of the other nice things here is if you were to click like here, and you've linked this to your Facebook account, which we recommend all patients do, and that will be shown on the bulletin board of all their friends on their Facebook. So it's a great tool for doing viral marketing out from there. We've also got promotions. Again, we can tweet this, you can like it. There's a suggestion box there, so you can type in the suggestion. It's a really great tool for getting feedback. And the other great thing about this is that there's a free trial for this product as well. So if you would like to know more about this this free trial, then just give me a bell on 01767 626 398, or email me at sales@dentalmarketingexpert.co.uk. That's sales@dentalmarketingexpert.co.uk. I think that's a great product. Now I'm going to show you now the sort of reports that you can pull in from this system too. So the sort of things that you get at the other end. So just bear with me and I'll be back with you in a couple of ticks. Okay, so this is the second part of the software. And this is what you will see back at the ranch, as it were, when people have been sending you back these questionnaires, etc. So first of all, you're going to get a statistic on what's happening with your emails. So these are the feedbacks sent, feedbacks open. So we've got a 43% open rate. The numbers filled was 22, we got 28%. So the filled to sent ratio is 12%, which is not bad actually for an email campaign. Going over here, we've got, this is overall statistics, so overall we've sent 7,300, we've got an open rate of 37%, filled in 101,146, so we're getting an open rate, a fill to open ratio of 40%, and this is giving you comparisons of how it works on a day-to-day basis too. We're looking at different criteria, so we can look over this month, this year, over the last 30 days. We're looking at the last 30 days here, and then we can pull it down to which dentist it particularly works with as well. But let's just keep it to all for the time being. And here's the sort of report that you would get. So everybody thinks it's clean and comfortable, thank you. 10% don't particularly like the entertainment and literature. 19% of them are unhappy with the sun rays, etc. So you can see this is the sort of great reporting that you get. This sort of information is really important for a practice to do its marketing and get its act together right. And these are the percentages of patients who rated the following aspects of the service as an average or neutral, blah blah blah. Whereas we would recommend so on and so forth. So you can see there, clean and comfortable, entertainment, literature, healthcare, sundry items. So we can see these are the negatives as opposed to the positives up here. And then we've got what people are saying about us. What have we got down here? We've got this patient's anonymous, so there's not about there. So here we've got some comments. This was my first time visiting, and overall experience was excellent. My teeth have never been so clean. How fabulous is that? As a patient of this practice, I found it to be very kind. The fact that the services are on site, so on and so forth. And what can they improve on? Waiting area is small and seats are not too comfortable. So this gives you a really nice feedback on the actual staff. And so if, for instance, if you wanted to really utilize this, use this as part of your staff meeting information and go through this and say, look, these are areas that we need to improve on, these are areas that you particularly need to improve on, so on and so forth. Great tool. Free trial, as I said earlier in the video. Call me on 01767 626 398 or email me at sales@dentalmarketingexpert.co.uk.